Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. Are you curious about Scentsy, the popular direct sales company that specializes in fragrance products? Whether you are interested in joining as a consultant or simply want to learn more about their products, Scentsy is a great way to add a touch of luxury to your home. In this tutorial, we will show you how to get started with Scentsy, including how to select and use their products, navigate the website, and join as a consultant. So let's dive in and discover the world of Scentsy. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first thing first, I will need you guys to simply launch your browser. Right after that, go to here to the URL section and search for Scentsy, as you can see here. Now simply just click on the first link that will be appearing, which is this one, and click on Scentsy. And simply this is the website. So you can say that Scentsy is a website as like Amazon that sells products, as you can see here. So these are multiple kind of products, as you can see. You can buy them and get them. So it is a company, they have their marks and they are selling their products. That's simply it. So what's the point of having like Scentsy? What is the point of buying their product? So first of all, you need to know that they have really high quality products. And as I said before, they are so much luxury. They can decorate your house and they are really interesting. So these are some samples of their products. For example, there is these lamps, some things that are really good. So yeah, and if you had uh like a problem and you want to consult someone, you can choose a consultant and talk to him. So you just have to like search nearby you or search by name. It is pretty easy. Alaska and search in the USA, search and you can find its name. So first of all, let's try first with creating an account. So how we can create an account in Scentsy? Pretty easy. Let's go ahead and click on create an account and then fill this information. Here, first name, last name, email address, and confirm it, and then finally here the password. So this is simply it, as you can see here, and then click on sign up. And as you can see, my account has been created successfully. Here you can see all the products that you have, so all the orders, view and watch your online orders. So you do not have any orders at the moment. Here you can find the pre-orders. So here you can see your Scentsy Club subscription. You can like even subscribe to their website. Basically, what is a subscription? They will keep sending you each month a couple of their new products or their old products. So how to do that? You can just go here and click on new subscription and they will give you like the subscription of the product that you'd like to have. So let's say that we want somehow I don't know, I have no idea, body cream, and here I would choose this, continue shopping, add this, continue shopping, and you just have to choose what kind of products you'd like to receive each month. This is simply it. And by the end, as you can see, so let me just click here. You will have to choose either you want this product to be received at your home monthly, like every 2 months, like every month and another, or even like 2 months. So this is all up to you. Here, as you can see, the Simply Club order will process on the 5th day of the month. So tomorrow will be delivered, or not tomorrow. I mean, we are now at 10th, so enter the next month, which is here you can choose a different day. So in our case, we are at 10th, so we can choose 15th. So we are done with that. Here you see everything that you have chosen. So you are $4 away from 10% club discount. So I think if you receive like $44, it will be a $10 discount for you. So that is pretty much interesting. Now all you have to do is continue to shipping, and here simply just fill the information about you from first name, last name, street, city, state, zip code, and phone number. After that, you'll go to the consultant. Method. So let's try to fill these real quick. Here we go. State, phone number, continue. So let me just try to get a phone number real quick. And as you can see now, I am at the consultant process. So the step is simply you will choose a nearby you consultant. So they keep like giving you news, etc. Ask about your skin, some information about you. So you can consult them whatever you'd like. So here, you can choose one of these, and then choose, for example, give me this consultant is going can contact you about future promotions, hosting a party, or becoming a consultant. So these kind of things. So for us, we can uncheck them and then click on continue simply like that. After that, they will take us to the payments process, which is simply just put your name card, card number, expiration, and CVV. And after that, you confirm your subscription, and you will have your order by your hands in, like for me for example, in 5 days of every month, so 15th of every month in my case, I will have these products in my house. So this is one part of having Scentsy Club. So let me just go back to my account and show you real quick your Scentsy Club. So let's go into it. Here it is. So as you can see, this is the Scentsy Club, which is the subscription. You have rewards and referrals. So what are the rewards that you can get? So what are the exclusive perks available to Scentsy Club subscribers? So our club's orders of 13 bucks or more receive 10% discount. Our club orders of 16 plus or more bucks, of course, receive a 10 discount and are eligible for the customer to add an additional Sensory Club product, including Whiff Box, at a half price. So whatever product you'd like to get for a half price, if you get the 16 or 60 or more bucks in your cart, you will be able to add one more product for the half of its price. So it's based on full retail price before the 10 discount. So make sure that you are 60 bucks before the 10% discount. The subscribers also get exclusive access to Always Get by My Bar. So Always Get My Bar applies only to Scentsy bars, and it is not available for Scentsy bricks or any other products available in Scentsy Club. The subscribers earn points for discounts. So you basically, when you keep like subscribing each month you receive a product, you will be earning some points. These points by the end you can have like discounts or directly buy a product using them. So it depends on how many points you have collected. So yeah guys, this is simply it. That is what this website is completely about. I hope you learned something from this video. If you had any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will answer all of your questions one by one. And yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to leave a like and a comment, and see you in the next video.